Hey fANNE-atics, it's Sasha and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then welcome. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you are notified whenever I upload a new video. For today, it's all about clean girl aesthetic. It's all about putting together an effortless look that still makes you feel beautiful, very minimal makeup, yet that there's something still there. Dewy, perfect, and gorgeous, just like you. So if you are interested to see how I got this clean girl makeup look, then keep on watching. All right, beauties, before we dive into makeup, preparation is key. So we have to make sure that our skin is fully hydrated. Let's start out with a gentle cleanser. This is my favorite cleanser that I use every morning and every night. It's by Hylunia and there's no scent to it and it leaves your skin feeling so hydrated, dewy, and moist. You need to use a facial cleansing gel before you do any of your other steps with your skin preparation because it removes any dirt and any oils that was left on your skin during the night. Okay, I never washed my face on camera before, so let's do this. Am I just gonna like pour the water on my hand? It's so cold. And also make sure that you scrub down your neck as well. Now let's wash that off with some warm water. Now let's dab that dry. Oh my god, that actually feels so nice. Next, we're gonna go in with a hydrating toner. What am I, from Brooklyn? Now I'm gonna go in with a hydrating toner, and this is for normal to dry skin. It hydrates, removes leftover residue, and helps restore the protective skin barrier. Doesn't it look just so sleek and so fresh and clean? I can't wait to use this. Now you could use a cotton ball or your hands. I'm just gonna use my hands and put this all over my face. And now you gently remove that with warm water. Wow, my skin is gonna be feeling so hydrated and so fresh. And I have to sneeze. Okay, I'm away. Serum time. A hyaluronic acid serum is a must to lock in any of that moisture. So I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Serum. Oh, it has little dots in it. Oh, this is so satisfying. And you know what I love about this hyaluronic acid serum is that you see these little dots in it. Usually you could feel it on your skin and it kind of irritates my skin, makes it red, but you don't see it on my face and I don't feel it at all. It's just like you see it there, but you don't feel it and you don't see it on your face. So I love it. And now for a lightweight moisturizer. This is the moisturizer I use every single day by Cetaphil. It's the Daily Oil-Free Hydrating Lotion, and it's for very sensitive skin. Like mine, just use one pump. Oh, so nice. Finally, don't forget to apply your sunscreen. This is also by Cetaphil, and it's SPF 50, perfect for my fair skin. You want to protect your beautiful skin from those harsh rays. Yes, I know my face is looking white, but I'll blend. Make sure to apply on your eyelid as well. Now before we go on to the BB cream, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal 24-Hour Pore Minimizer Primer, and this is just to help prime your face before you put on any of the other products that we're going to be putting on. It helps make all those products last all day and night. I love this primer so much because it blurs the pores and the skin looks smoother over time. And could this product come out, please? Ooh, I love it. Look, the product is pink. And this also feels so hydrating too. And make sure to blend down your neck again. Now to start off the actual clean girl makeup look, we are taking the L'Oreal Paris Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream, and I'm in the shade Fair. Of course I am. What other shade would I be? So I'm gonna go in with this BB cream for a seamless natural look. I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender and just apply it. Oh geez. Okay, so I guess you have to shake it a little. Okay, let's try that again. What in the world? This is so gross. What in the world is, it's not supposed to look like that. I'm getting a different foundation. This is disgusting. All right, change of plans. So I don't know what happened with that L'Oreal BB cream, but I don't really think it was supposed to look like that with the product. But now I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and this is a lightweight foundation, but full coverage. Let's try this again. Oh yes, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm just going to apply this all over my face and blend it in. And now for concealer to go under my eyes on any blemishes, but I like to put this on my T-zone, which is on the bridge of my nose, under my eyes, my chin, and my forehead. So this is the Dior Skin Forever Correct Concealer in ON. And I definitely need more product. At least you guys could see how much I love this product. And now let's blend it in. And now I'm going to set the foundation and the concealer so there is no shine. I'm setting it with my Prada pressed powder. And this is a translucent powder. And now I'm going to go in with a cream blush. This is by Armani Beauty. It's the Luminous Silk Cheek Tint. And make sure to blend fast because this product dries really fast. I'm just going to go back in with my brow spoolie and comb out my brows, just very natural. I do think I need to go back in with my brow product. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in medium brown. I'm going to go in with a little bit of highlighter by Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Hollywood Flawless Filter. And this is a liquid highlighter. And now before I go on to lashes, I'm going to put some the Aquaphor Balm on my cheekbones, tip of my nose, the bridge, inner corner, under my brow, and on my brow to just set that brow product, and on my lashes. It also helps as a primer and to set that brow product. Make sure you use your finger and not a beauty blender, because when you use a beauty blender or if you put the balm directly onto your face, it could actually break you out more. An Aquaphor Balm just gives you more of like a natural shine. Did you hear that?
Crack? I heard it.
Ow! And now time to curl lashes. This isn't... You don't have to curl your lashes, but I recommend it if you do want your mascara to seem more lifted on your lashes. So now I'm going in with my mascara. This is by L'Oreal, the Panorama Waterproof Mascara. And I love how this mascara separates the lashes so nicely, makes it more full and gives it more length. This is how the clean girl makeup look turned out. It's a perfect no makeup look, just the slightest amount of makeup, but you could still tell that there's something there, but it looks super natural.